Hi, I'm Nitin. I am the director of the GATE Academy. I qualified GATE with an All India rank of 9 and did my masters from IISc Bangalore. The GATE Academy has more than 50 centers all across the country. And I'm here to introduce you a fantastic event called National Engineering Challenge. This is India's biggest quiz that we conduct. What happens in NEC? Students all across the country come under a single platform and take tests, and they fight with each other for a 25 lakh worth prize. So let me tell you what happened last year. In NEC 2016, the final event was conducted at Bangalore. You can see some pictures here. There was a huge bumper response from the country. 2 lakh plus participants were there in this test. Out of this 2 lakhs, we finally filtered 10 candidates all across the country. There were cash prize given to the winners worth 1.5 lakhs. There were free tablets. Lots of students got free GATE coaching, more than 100 students. And there were huge discounts to the participants. So I welcome you all for this fantastic event. Let me show you who are the winners of NEC 2016. So these were the finalists: Pooja Kulkarni, Vipul, Saurabh, Shah Chintan, Dheeraj, and they did wonderful in the final quiz. I expect you people to come this time for this finals at Bangalore. Now, in 2017, due to our solid response from the entire country, we have some fantastic sponsors. Jain University, OYO, I'm sure you know this, Savan. So all these sponsors are backing us to conduct this event in a big way. Why students should participate in NEC 2017? Number one reason, prize worth 25 lakhs. You have huge opportunity of winning huge number of prizes. Second, it's a national level platform. The first authentic national level platform where you can more than 2 lakh plus students come and participate. You can showcase your talent on this platform. All the winners are provided with certificates and trophies. That's the reason number 3. You get opportunity for getting free GATE coaching and mentoring from the GATE Academy. Students also have the opportunity of winning 500 rupees every day. There is a lucky draw event also that happens on a weekly level where randomly we pick people who have registered with us, give them 1000 rupees. Now, the most important part, which is new in NEC 2017, is free preparatory online classes. So we help you to prepare for this NEC examination. We help you with the syllabus, we help you with the model paper, we help you with the teaching. The faculty comes and teaches you for some time and prepares you for this test. Let's get into the details of 2017. So there are fundamentally 3 rounds. Round 1, round 2, round 3. Now let's discuss it one by one. This is an important slide, students. I want your attention here. In round 1, you can take the test on your smartphone, or you can take the test on your desktop or a laptop, sitting at home. You don't have to go anywhere. Right? How long is the test? 30 minutes is the test. 9:30 a.m. it starts and 10 a.m. it finishes. So I suggest you people to be there at least by 9 o'clock on 19th of February or 5th of March to take this test. What is the syllabus of this test? General aptitude and basic mathematics. How many winners are we going to select out of this round 1? 100 winners. When will the result be announced? 8th of March 2017. What is the eligibility? Any engineering graduate and pass out can take this test. Now once you have finished your round 1, once the 100 people are selected, they go to round 2. In round 2, which is happening on 19th of March, the test is taken at the TGA center. TGA means the GATE Academy Center. Nearest center, we have 50 centers. So you can select any of the center which is near to your home and you can come to that center and take the test. How is the test given? By paper and pen. How long is the test? 45 minutes. 11 a.m. it starts, 11:45 a.m. it stops. What is the syllabus? General aptitude, maths, and one more thing is there, general science. So syllabus is almost similar as round 1. You don't need any special preparation for round 2. How many winners we select in round 2? 10 winners. That will go to the final. When will the results be announced for round 2? 29th of April. Now, what happens in round 3? Once the 10 winners are selected, what happens in round 3? It's a final quiz. Lot of dignitaries come there, like how it came last year. Now in round 3, which is happening on 9th of July, it's a multi-level quiz. It happens at Bangalore. 3 hours is the duration, 9:30 to 12:30 am. What is the syllabus? Again same as round 2. General aptitude, maths, general science. 2 winners and 2 runners-up are selected out of the entire lot of 10 students. And the results are announced on the same day, and the same day prize distribution happens. I want you people to take the round 1 very, very seriously. Round 1 is very easy, 30 minutes test at home. So at the prime level, first thing, you should focus on round 1 and try to score as much as possible. Registration. How do I get registered for this test? So you will see that my colleagues from the GATE Academy will come to the classroom and meet you. That is one way of registration. So they will give you this booklet. So this is our registration booklet. It is having many pages here. Now in this, if I open this book, page number 3, yellow colored, is your authentication form. So the step 1 is filling up the authentication form. What is there in the authentication form? I have to give my name, I have to give my contact number. Don't give wrong contact numbers, else you will get disqualified. Email ID, it should be Gmail ID. Give your Gmail ID. College name, branch, which stream you are in, mechanical, electrical, electronics, whatever branch you are in. Then year of passing, which year you are going to pass your engineering. And then you have to give what you are interested on. Like I have given options like MTech, PSU, public sector, study abroad, MBA, others. Please fill it accurately, because the moment you tick on anything, we start giving you relevant information all across the globe related to that particular area of interest. So the primary thing is no mistakes. Step 1 is filling up of the authentication form and then signing on this yellow side here. Signing at the corner, bottom, right hand side. Put your signature. So this form, yellow colored form, you should not keep it with you. It's a perforated sheet, you should tear it and give it to my colleague from the GATE Academy. Now in step 2, your registration is not completed, my dear students. Please don't forget this. In step 2, you have to go on the website. The link is nec.thegateacademy.com. There you have to click on register now button. Click there, small form will come, fill it up. No mistakes again. So the step 1 is filling up of this authentication form. Then the step 2 is going to the website, which is where you will find online registration form. The process of online registration form is also mentioned in this booklet. If you get confused, you can refer this. And then step 3, never forget to check your confirmation mail that comes to you. Because once you fill the registration form, within 24 hours, you will get a confirmation mail with username, password and online exam portal link. In case you don't receive it, please mail us immediately. Which mail ID? nec@thegateacademy.com. It is mentioned in this booklet, right? Now in case of any queries, you can directly call us also. The number is 90-191-88808. So the first step is authentication form, then online registration form, filling it, and then your registration gets completed. I am again repeating, only filling the authentication form is not the completion of your registration. You have to go online. Or the other method is you can directly go online and fill the online registration form. You can follow us on Facebook. You can come regularly visit our website, and there also you can directly come and do your registration, even if you have not filled this authentication form, right? So that finishes the process of registration. Now let me tell you what are the common mistakes that you do. The first mistake is I told you you fill wrong details. The second mistake is you have biggest misconception about what? After filling authentication form, all job is done. No, you have to come on the website, on the online registration form and fill it. If you don't fill the online registration form, then you get disqualified. Point number 3, where you do the mistake, you forget to check your mails. After filling the online registration form, you will get the confirmation mail. Please check it. The confirmation mail will be either in the inbox or in the spam box. Please check it. Fourth, you don't utilize the sponsor's benefit. Sponsor's benefits are for you. You need to utilize it. There is a lot of discounts. All the details are there in the booklet. You know, I showed you this booklet. Everything is there in this booklet. Point number 5. You forget to participate in the question of the day event. Come on. You get 500 rupees every day. Lot of students misses it. Lot of students participates. Lot of people win. I want this time everyone to participate on that question of the day. Next is, lot of student complaints that, sir, what is the syllabus of the round 1? Sir, what is the syllabus of round 2? Sir, how do I prepare? So, if you check your mails regularly, confirmation mail will have all the details. Otherwise, you can also come to the website directly and you will see the syllabus. You will see the sample test. You will see the benefits. Everything is mentioned on the NEC website. Don't miss to go on the website and check it out because it will help you in preparing for the NEC exam. In case you have any doubt further, you can get in touch with the NEC team head office at Bangalore. You can mail us nec@thegateacademy.com or you can call us 90191 88808. Thank you guys. All the best for your exam and I want you to do very, very well in the round 1 of NEC 2017. Thank you very much.